Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an empties video. I have not done one of these in so long. I think my last one might have been February because I didn't get enough for March. No, wait, we're in March now. No, we're not, we're in April. My last one must have been January and I must have had enough in February and March. Either way, we're doing an empties video. This is collected over a couple of months, I'm pretty sure, so we're just going to get into it. So the first thing that we have is the Rituals... I can't say it. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda, and this is the Rejuvenating Body Scrub. It looks like this. Now, I talked about this in one of my speed reviews. I loved this. Like, this was probably one of the nicest body scrubs I've ever used, but towards the end it started to hurt because every time I would use it in the shower, it like made my eyes water so bad, and like, I don't know, it just stung my eyes. And it was so weird, right, because I was in the shower with Kate and I was like, I'm going to do a little bit of a, social experiment. So I was like, oh, like, use this, like, tell me what you think of this body scrub. And he was like, oh, like, it really burns my eyes. So it's not just me. I don't know what it is. I think it's because of the oils and stuff in there. Like, they're just like, I don't know, when it mixes with the steam of the shower, it just hurts. But anyway, I love the formula. I just don't love the burning of my eyes. Like, it took me I feel like it took me a while to fit it shit up because I was looking at it like, oh, I'm not ready to go through the pain. But yeah, it's a shame because I really do love that body scrub. The next thing that we used up was one of the Hideaway whipped soaps. This one was in Fruity Loops. Cade loved this. I think he was really shocked because it actually smelled heaps like Fruit Loops. Oh, it's literally like, it literally just smells like you've opened up a box of Fruit Loops. Yum. Yeah, I love the Hideaway lip soaps. I think they're really, really nice, and I love this scent. It was so nice. I don't need any more body products or shower products or anything at the moment, but when I eventually do repurchase some, I'll definitely pick up another one of those because I really, really love that scent. This is the Hideaway Body Balm in Vanilla Caramel, and oh my god, this is the bane of my existence. Smells nice. This formula is so thick though, like it is a body balm, like it is, I don't know, like, I don't know. You can see that like there's still remnants around the edge. Like normally I would scrape that out and use it, but no, I just needed to get this over because it was so thick. I feel like I've talked about so many times how I like a lightweight moisturizer. I hate being sticky, I hate thick, heavy stuff on my skin, and this was the thickest and heaviest. Like, it felt like an anxiety blanket. Like, no, but honestly, this was just so, like, it just does not sink into the skin. Like, it sits on top of the skin for so long. Like, it obviously feels nice-ish. Oh, it has a blended beeswax. I feel like that makes sense because, yeah, it just sits on the top of the skin like a film. And I did not love it. I would not. I like Hideaway's body butters and like body oils and stuff, but I do not like the body balms, so I would stay far, far away from them. I used up one of the Body Shop shower scrubs. This was in British Rose. This had like 2 uses in it. I got this in the advent calendar. I love the British Rose scent. It smells so good. Yeah, like there wasn't a whole lot of product in here. It had 50 mils. I actually quite liked this though. I feel like it was a really nice, like, everyday body scrub. It was like quite, like, it wasn't super abrasive or anything. But yeah, it just went up. It just got used up super quick because obviously it was just like a little kind of sample from an advent calendar. So it's the same kind of situation. Like, I don't need to repurchase any more body care or anything like that at the moment. But when I eventually need to go and buy some new stuff, that's something that I'd look into buying a full size of. I talked about this in one of my speed reviews as well. This is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I feel like I love my body care and stuff for like aesthetic purposes and like because they smell nice and they feel nice and stuff like that. Like, I feel like I don't use body care for concerns, I guess. And this one has a big warning on the back where it says like sunburn alert, like contains alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and the possibility of sunburn. I got sunstroke after I used this, and it's not the body scrub's fault at all. I was using in the shower. I knew that it had that warning on the back. I just completely forgot about it. And the next day I went to work with my brother-in-law and I was out in the sun helping him for like, I don't know, 8 hours or something like that. And I had a really bad sunburn after it, and I feel like I just got really bad sunstroke. Like, it was like not really bad, but like I was unwell and like didn't feel good and stuff like that. And I do feel like this contributed just because of, you know, it does have that. It says that you need to limit your sun exposure. It says use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. So obviously it's like pretty intense stuff, and I have just kind of never come across that before because, you know, I'm using stuff like Lush and, you know, like the Body Shop and things like that aren't super like, I don't know, you guys know what I mean though, right? Hopefully. But yeah, like I don't like that product. It's not for me. It doesn't smell. It doesn't have a smell, which is like fine because obviously it says like it's dermatologist tested and no artificial fragrance. So obviously this is not like an aesthetic thing, like to make you feel nice in the shower or smell nice or anything like that. This is obviously like for a purpose. So yeah, it's just not for me, and I probably should have done my research into that before I, you know, just chucked it on willy-nilly. I ended up using it up. Yeah, it just wasn't for me, and I will not be repurchasing that one. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, and this is a tiny little tube. This is 10 mils, and this took me like 5 years or something to use up. I don't know if it was that long. Probably is that long. I do like this. I don't even know like if this is still a thing anymore or not because it's just been so long. But yeah, no, I do like this primer, and I'm excited to have used something up. I love this. This is my Benefit 24-hour brow setter, but I don't know if you guys can see the little teeth marks in here, right? Because I've been biting it, trying to open it, because I don't know what's happened. It will not open. It's like glued shut, and like I've got backups and stuff, so I just chucked it in my Empties, but yeah, I don't know what the hell has happened there. Like, it just will not open, so I was just like, whatever. But I love my 24-hour brow setter. I'm still using it. I've got like a big one as well at the moment, so yeah, I don't know what happened there. This was the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. This one says it hydrates, illuminates, and it's makeup friendly. This one smells really nice. I love it. And I've got a couple more of these. I've got, I think I've got like a strawberry one. I swear I had another one as well, but I can't remember. But yeah, these are quite cute. I feel like they just smell nice, feel nice. I spray them on after I do my skincare. And yeah, once again, like I feel like, you know, they're nothing like super standout. But, like, I do like them as well. Like, I'll probably pick them up again once again if I, you know, when I eventually need more skincare, which probably won't be for a while. But anyway. This is the Madison Beer and Morphe Seal the Deal Luminous Setting Spray. And there's, like, a little bit in there, but, you know, I love this one. This smells incredible. Yum. And, yeah, I do really like this setting spray. I've got another one here. This one was more like champagne, and this one was more like goldy. And this was the lockdown one, and this one was called Seal the Deal. I really like these. They don't make them anymore. Because, yeah, it takes me years to use stuff up. But I do like the Morphe setting sprays. I think they're really nice. I used up the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Candle. Oh, this smells just so good. I love it. This is obviously one of the small ones. I feel like there's still like a fair bit of wax in there. But, like, honestly, I'm pretty happy with that. They say to, like, stop burning it at, like, 4mm or whatever. But I just feel like when I was burning it, like, I could see the bottom of the jar. So I was just like, whatever, like, that's fine. I have so many candles, and I think this one's come to the end of its life. Oh, it just smells so good, though. Like, so warm and yummy. Obsessed. We also used up a neon candle. This is the Bedtime Heroes. Now, when I first tried this, I did not like it because I got it out of an advent calendar, and I've heard that this brand is super expensive, and I lit it and I couldn't smell anything. I was like, what the hell, that's so annoying because like they're really expensive. Like, but then after burning it a couple of times, it started to actually fill the room, and I was like, oh, okay. And it smells really, really nice. So I feel like it's like kind of disappointing that it doesn't have that throw like straight up, especially because you are paying so much. But I don't know if it's because it's a smaller candle. Like, I don't know what the go is, but I do quite like this. Like, I love the scent. I don't know how much these are because I haven't even looked into it. But, you know, that's another thing. I do not need any more candles. But if one day I saw this and it was on sale or something like that, I probably would repurchase it. I got in the habit of, like, lighting this before I had a shower. And then Kate and I watched Game of Thrones of a night. And they're, like, you know, hour-long episodes. So I just hop in the shower like this, and then, you know, the room would smell really nice. After my shower, while we're watching Game of Thrones. So yeah, I did quite like it. This is the Hideaway Black Sugar Scented Sugar Scrub. I love the smell of this. It smells so nice. I hate the packaging. Obviously, you can see it's this little bag. And I feel like, you know, you're reaching into it in the shower and it's all just like, oh, I just feel like surely there's a better way. But I do really like these sugar scrubs. I feel like they're really nice. They're quite nice. Like, they're not like super abrasive, but they're like, they've got a bit of like exfoliation to them, so I feel like you can still use them every day or like, you know, every couple of days. Smells so good though. I love the black sugar scent. It's one of my favourites from Hideaway. I feel like a broken record, but I do not need any more body care, but if I needed some, I would repurchase that. So yeah, those are my empties for Feb and March, I think that's when these are from. I don't really know. But yeah, some really good products. I'm excited to be like, you know, getting through some things. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.